Welcome to the Foundry by Forge College. Imagine a bot executing a three-step on-chain task. Step 1, Step 2, boom, it loses power. Rebooting with zero memory, it restarts, repeats Step 2, and completely corrupts your program state. Today, we make a major leap. On the left is our previous architecture, an agent that reads state and makes a single isolated move. On the right is a multi-transaction orchestrator. To handle complex workflows reliably, your agent must act as a sequencer that remembers its place. Mastering this orchestration is what moves your code from a fragile script to a reliable, autonomous system on Solana. To cure our amnesiac bot, we introduce a local off-chain JSON checkpoint file. This diagram shows a step index variable inside that JSON file, ticking upward in real time to track the agent's progress exactly as it hits each milestone on the timeline. Now, if the agent crashes mid-stride, it doesn't panic. When it wakes back up, it simply reads that local JSON file, sees it left off at Step 2, and instantly jumps back to the exact right spot. But there is a highly specific edge case hiding here. Say the agent submits its transaction to the network, but loses connection right before the confirmation comes back. When it reboots, the checkpoint file still says, "I haven't finished Step 2, so it tries to submit that data block again, risking a duplicate on-chain action. This is where we use idempotency, a fancy term for ensuring that repeating an action yields the exact same result as doing it once. The agent derives a unique, deterministic key by hashing the workflow ID together with the step number. It stamps the first submission with this key. If it accidentally submits a duplicate block later, the network recognizes the matching key and safely rejects the double spend. Pairing local memory through checkpoints with deterministic execution through idempotency keys creates a system that can fail at any millisecond without ever corrupting the on-chain state. Let's pause and test your intuition. Look at these 4 actions: submit transaction, confirm on network, generate idempotency key, and save in-flight checkpoint. How would you order them to ensure maximum safety? This diagram shows the correct top-to-bottom logical sequence. Generate the key, save the in-flight status to the checkpoint, submit the transaction, and then confirm. The most common mistake developers make is submitting to the network before saving the checkpoint. If you crash in that microsecond gap, the agent has zero record of the attempt. Even with perfect timing, transient network errors and concurrent bots can cause chaos. If an error occurs, you cannot blindly retry based on your local file alone. You have to check the actual reality by querying the live Solana state, which might have been altered by another agent while you were offline. We handle this with a conflict detection loop. Before retrying, the agent reads the on-chain state. If the state matches the goal, it marks the step complete. If not, it triggers a retry loop using an exponential backoff timer, waiting 2 seconds, then 4, then 8, giving the network time to resolve. Reading the actual on-chain truth before taking the next action elevates your agent from a rigid script to a context-aware orchestrator. In our Forge College courses, we emphasize this exact pattern because it is the specific logic that keeps DeFi protocols safe during heavy network turbulence. Let's watch the fully optimized workflow in motion. The agent generates its key, writes the in-flight checkpoint, and fires the submission. Right at that exact millisecond, we simulate a hard crash. The system wakes up, reads the in-flight status, and immediately verifies the network state. It sees that the transaction successfully landed while it was offline. Because it checked, it smoothly advances to the final step without firing a duplicate. Steady, conclusive. This layout shows the 3 pillars of multi-transaction workflows. 1. Checkpoints for off-chain memory. 2. Idempotency to make repeated actions safe. 3. Conflict detection for reliable recovery. These 3 mechanics give you the power to build highly complex DeFi agents that can survive the chaos of a live network. To dig deeper into autonomous systems and explore more of our learning programs, visit forge.college. You'll find full courses covering everything you need to master Web3 development. See you next time.